The 2027 Mazda CX-30 is coming with 8 trim levels, starting under $28,000 and climbing to nearly $40,000. And every single one is arriving with standard all-wheel drive. If you've been trying to figure out which trim makes sense for your budget without paying for things you'll never use or missing the ones that matter, this breakdown is going to put that decision in your hands. Most people assume compact SUV trim differences are mostly cosmetic, but between the base CX-30 and the top of this lineup, there's a turbocharged engine, a 12-speaker Bose audio system, a surround view camera, and nearly $12,000 separating them. Number 8. 2.5S. The 2.5S is the entry point, starting at around $27,500. Despite the base label, it's arriving with a feature list most competitors aren't matching at this price. Every CX-30 comes standard with all-wheel drive. Not an upgrade, not a higher trim requirement. The naturally aspirated 2.5-liter four-cylinder produces 191 horsepower, paired with a 6-speed automatic. Fuel economy is rated at 24 city and 31 highway. A lot of buyers reach the finance office only to discover that the safety technology they assumed was included is actually inside a package, one that adds up to $2,500 to the final bill. The 2.5S doesn't create that problem. Adaptive cruise control, forward collision mitigation, lane keeping assistance, and blind spot warning are all standard from day one. It's a strong starting point, but if there's one thing buyers consistently underestimate, it's how much what they're sitting on every morning shapes the ownership experience, and the Select Sport addresses that directly. Number 7. Select Sport. The Select Sport is priced at approximately $29,000, roughly $1,500 above the base. Synthetic leather upholstery, keyless entry, 18-inch black painted wheels, and roof rails are all arriving here. The steering wheel receives a leather wrap. Rear passengers are getting dedicated air vents and a center armrest. Dual zone, automatic climate control, and tinted rear windows round out the list. Think about climate control on a longer drive. One person running warm, the other needing more heat, neither willing to compromise. Dual zone automatic climate control eliminates that friction entirely, letting both passengers set exactly what they need. The Select Sport handles the daily essentials well, but there are 2 features still absent here, and once you go without them through a full winter, you understand why buyers at the next level rarely look back. Number 6. Preferred. At approximately $31,000, the Preferred adds a well-targeted set of upgrades to the Select Sport. A power sunroof is arriving here for the first time in the lineup. The grille picks up a gloss black finish, and silver-painted 18-inch wheels replace the black units. The driver's seat gains 8-way power adjustment with memory settings, and heated front seats are included as well. Nothing significant is missing at this level, and nothing unnecessary is being paid for. Buyers, after a complete, comfortable daily crossover without touching upper-tier pricing, are going to find that Preferred lands exactly in that window. It does everything right and looks perfectly respectable doing it, but the next trim isn't trying to look respectable, and that difference shows the moment you see it. Number 5. Carbon Edition. The Carbon Edition lands at around $32,500, introducing a personality the previous trims simply aren't offering. Starting from preferred content, it adds black painted alloy wheels, black mirror caps, and an exclusive gray exterior finish. The interior shift is more dramatic. Red leather seating replaces the standard upholstery, producing one of the bolder cabin looks available in a compact crossover at this price. The Carbon Edition also brings wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto into the CX-30 for the first time, along with a wireless charging pad and an 8-speaker audio system. For buyers who want the vehicle's appearance to match what the driving experience delivers, this is the trim that closes that gap. It turns heads, and that matters. But there's one thing it cannot do: change what happens when you press the accelerator hard. The next trim can, at a price that makes it the most compelling performance entry point in the entire lineup. Number 4. Carbon Turbo. The Carbon Turbo sits at approximately $34,500 and marks a turning point. This is the most affordable way into the turbocharged engine, and that distinction matters considerably. The 2.5-liter turbo produces 227 horsepower on regular fuel, rising to 250 with 93 octane. Torque reaches 310 pound-feet from just 2,000 revolutions per minute. There's a frustration that drivers of underpowered crossovers know well. Pressing the accelerator on a highway merge and getting nothing fast enough, the gap closes, the moment passes, passes. With the turbocharged engine, that torque is already there before the situation becomes a problem, making every merge and every pass feel like the vehicle is actually working with you. Built on Carbon Edition content, the Carbon Turbo also adds a 10.25-inch infotainment display with full touchscreen functionality and a distinctive sand-colored metallic paint option. It gives you the engine, but if the quality of the driving environment matters as much as the performance, the next trim makes that case without much argument. Number 3. Premium. The Premium is priced at approximately $35,000 and represents the top of the naturally aspirated range. It adds adaptive headlights that pivot with steering input, a power liftgate, paddle shifters, and leather upholstery. The 12-speaker Bose Premium audio system is standard, alongside a head-up display, built-in navigation with over-the-air updates, and wireless connectivity. Most people don't think about headlights until they're on an unlit road at night, light pointing straight ahead while the road is turning away. Adaptive headlights fix that, pivoting with every turn and keeping the road ahead properly lit where it matters. Most automakers reserve Bose audio for absolute top trims. The Premium includes the 12-speaker system at a price where it still represents strong value. It builds a compelling case for the naturally aspirated engine, but once you've driven the turbocharged version, that case gets considerably harder to make. Number 2. 2.5 Turbo Premium. At approximately $37,000, the 2.5 Turbo Premium combines the turbocharged powertrain with the full premium equipment level. The 10.25-inch display and wireless connectivity carry over from the Carbon Turbo, while the Turbo Premium adds the heated steering wheel and auto-dimming rear-view mirror. The Bose audio system, head-up display, and navigation are all included. This is the answer for buyers balancing performance against comfort and unwilling to give up either. The turbocharged engine changes how this crossover behaves at every speed, while the Premium feature set ensures the interior matches the driving experience in quality and refinement. It covers nearly everything this lineup offers, but there's one situation where it leaves you without something. If you've ever reversed into a spot without being entirely sure what was behind you, you already know what that situation is. Number 1. 2.5 Turbo Premium Plus. The 2.5 Turbo Premium Plus is the range topper, arriving at approximately $39,500. Everything from the Turbo Premium is carrying forward. The additions here are focused on parking confidence and low-speed awareness. Front and rear parking sensors, a surround view camera system, and rear cross-traffic alert with automatic braking are all part of this trim. Enhanced adaptive cruise control and upgraded lane-keeping assistance are included as well. Satellite radio is standard, and the exterior color palette is the most extensive in the lineup, with options including Soul Red Crystal Metallic and Polymetal Gray Metallic among the choices. Parking in a crowded lot or reversing out of a tight space on a busy street is one of those situations where confidence drops quickly, especially when the vehicle is relatively new and the driver is still learning its corners. A backup camera helps, but it only covers one angle. A surround view system changes the picture entirely, giving a top-down view of the vehicle and everything immediately around it, so tight parking stops being a guessing game. 5-year ownership costs for the Turbo Premium Plus are estimated at approximately $47,000 by independent sources, and that's the highest figure in the CX-30 range. It's the most complete version of this crossover. Turbocharged performance, Bose audio, navigation, head-up display, and the full suite of parking and driver assistance technology, all in a package that, at under $40,000, is going to surprise some shoppers who expected to pay considerably more. The 2027 Mazda CX-30 lineup is built around a consistent foundation: all-wheel drive, a strong safety suite, and cabin quality that outpaces most rivals at every price point, with each step up adding performance, comfort, or technology on top of that base. The 2.5 S and Select Sport are difficult to beat under $30,000. The Preferred and Premium deliver a complete, refined experience with the naturally aspirated engine. And for anyone who wants the turbocharged powertrain with its 310 pound-feet of torque and genuinely different driving character, the Carbon Turbo, Turbo Premium, and Turbo Premium Plus are each making that case at a different level of refinement. 8 trims, 1 platform, and a price range wide enough to cover almost every kind of buyer. The offer is certainly impressive, but this crossover still doesn't offer a proper off-road variant. Rivals do, particularly the Subaru Crosstrek, which you can check out in our next video. It's capable, practical, and also efficient. Thanks to the new hybrid powertrain, definitely one of the best options in the segment.